Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, apologies for not having content out on my usual cars. I've been doing things a little bit more like... So yeah, Vic Zoo Club Adventure Tour, as usual, delivers. I have filmed a buttload of footage, so much. So what I'm making is a short video for the Vic Zoo Club. That should be up any day now. That'll be on their YouTube channel. Then I've started to do a 90-minute feature on the whole trip. So that's a lot of content that's going to be coming out. My cars, however, I haven't touched them. So I had a bit of a prank on Daily Driver. I've been driving my Jimny Brittany for 5 weeks straight now. And it's been awesome. I haven't even had to check the oil. Probably should actually do that. Alright, anyway. So we have our daily car back now, so it's nearly time to start on that. But before I can do that, unfortunately my Rodeo, which has been the most faithful companion a man could ask for, has decided it needs to have a bit of maintenance. I reckon it's done 360,000 K, and all the hoses on the engine are factory. It has spring clamps on them still. So I'm just going through the process. I thought I might show you this. So this is what happens when you tow constantly with something with a factory clutch. The funny part is, I only pulled it out because it killed a slave cylinder, and I figured it had a weird rattle and it was time to fix it. How nuts is that?
She fucked.
I reckon these are pretty much the factory hoses. Nearly all of them have the factory spring clamps, and they're all like this, and it's never blown a hose. So while I've got the motor out, I'm obviously going to replace all the hoses, clutch, master cylinder, slave cylinder, like everything I think of. The only thing I'm having trouble with is getting some of these hoses. Apparently they're pretty rare. But yeah guys, that's where I'm up to at the moment. So I'll have more content out for you guys soon. If you enjoy my content, give us a subscribe. I've also started a Patreon, so if you want to help out, jump on board over there. Cheers guys.